Hi friends! Today I want to show you this new product that I'm so excited to try. Let's go open it. This is for your jewelry, so you can keep safe your jewelry in this box. Look at this. I love it because it's so beautiful. It's all black and it's like velvet. You can see. So it looks beautiful and elegant. And the best part is that you can organize all your jewelry inside of this. Look, have these compartments and these others that are more smaller, but you can put everything inside. So I am actually using this one, but I have so much, so it's all a mess. Look. So let's go try this new organizer and let's go see how it works. Look, this mess. So you can use this size if you have so much, on this other if you have more bigger accessories. I'm gonna use the small size part because I have so much earrings. I have so much. You can put your earrings, your bracelets. So let me show you. See, it's like this. As you can see, it's all organized. So you can keep safe and separate all your accessories. So if you have so much, I highly recommend this product for you. See you.